What's up, guys? It's me. I'm going to use a tornado. I'll show you how to make these. I'm going to show you how to make these. Just watch. To use it, you're going to like turn it upside down like this, so the cap is pointing down, and then you hold it like this, and then you spin it, and you might see a tornado. Can you see it? Look at this. Can you see the tornado? Hold on. First off, you have to let it set until you can see the clear edge. And look at this and watch. Make sure you can see a clear edge. And just wait, and then use it. And it might form a tornado, as you might see. So to make these, I'll show you this one. This one is kind of different than the other version. I'll need to show you first this one. But yeah, it's more showing up because of it's a special ingredient. And hold on, I'll show you soon. I'll tell you what's the secret ingredient. So that really showed up pretty good. You have to let it set until the bubbles are gone a little, and then try to use it, okay? God, that really hurt my fingers, but that's okay. Yeah. You see a tornado? Okay, and I made a movie for this, but I'm not going to show you the movie because it takes a long time. And then you spin. And look at that. Can you see? As can you instantly see? And this one, without a special ingredient, it looks more better with this one. Okay, both of these are the same except for this one. So to make this one, you're going to need any kind of bottle. Just make sure it doesn't have anything. Make sure it's all clear. And you take the bottle, then put it halfway full. I suggest putting it right here. Right, like half full, almost at the top, like right here, like halfway full. And then you add one squirt of dish soap, and then what you do is you add this one, glitter. And if you add glitter, the glitter will disturb the soap, allowing it to spin, because the spinning process makes it to and actually air is around the soap. That's why it's making that very weird spinning thing. And it's like a vortex. You might see a vortex in the middle. And if you cut this part off, just be careful. If you cut this part off right here and then you turn over and spin it, you might see at the middle that it's inside. You might see a spinning thing if you look on top. Look at this. Yep, you can't even see it. Only without the soap. Without the soap, it allows it to, without the soap, you can see on the top, but you have to look in the bottom if you want to see the middle. But if you want to see the top, you have to open the cap. So that's pretty, and you have to cut this part off. But you can, because the soap, it's disturbing it to float. So it's pretty weird. And without with the glitter, it looks more better because they will think that it's destroying anything, and it's even like color red, and that's good because it looks like houses and a lot of people and houses are being destroyed and like blood coming out of them, except the things like when their houses are bricks, they're actually red, kind of, and orange. This one is without the glitter. This one means that it's just staying on its position, digging its way underground. So they will think that when it stopped, when they said, "Oh, it went underground, so that means it will stop." Then they said, "Yay, it stopped!" And then once it's actually spinning, moving. I thought, la la. Hold on, and that's how you make the tornadoes. And bye.